There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one...
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen, but you can call me Tash. Guys, would you believe this is my, I don't know which round of trying to do this intro. So yeah, if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Yeah, I promise to be consistent, and I'm trying to be consistent. So today is on a Saturday. We are going to do grocery shopping, and I wanted you guys to spend the day with me. I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog in the market because I don't like capturing people's faces, because I had a scenario where I had to delete a video because someone said they don't want to be in my video. So yeah, just a random person saw my video and said, I don't want to be in your video. So I just had to delete it, and the lady said that if I didn't delete the video, she would sue me. So yeah, I had to do it. Okay, my hand is getting tired. So yeah, spend the day with me. Like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Yeah, I'll see you in there. Tuendele tuonane kwa hizo videos zingine that I'm going to record. That's what I got. This is all we got today. Guys, we got back like 2 hours ago. I was honestly contemplating whether I should do this video, whether I should continue vlogging, because I felt so tired, but now I feel energized, so we are good to go. So it's time to unpack the groceries and put them on the fridge, and the other ones put them where they are supposed to be. So guys, yeah, let's do this together. Let me show you what's happening here. See mingi sana, but they are all over. My baby is trying to help me. So we have those ones right there. Mama, no, leave it alone. And we also have these ones here. At a see more. And then you have these ones here. Then you have my baby there. So guys, yeah, let's do this. Guys, let me tell you, I've also noticed that my house tour video is shaking. It's shaking a lot, guys. It feels like I'm new here again. So guys, I hope you understand, but I'm gonna try as much as possible not to shoot shaky videos, so bear with me. It's only once. Sijui kama hitakuwa imeshake nikianza, but you know what, it is what it is. Please watch my house tour video and like, subscribe and share with your friends so that they can also support. Yeah, so guys, yeah, let's do this. No mama, let her Malika. So you see those tomatoes ndizo zilikuwa kwa fridge, so nimezitoa ndio kwanza niweke zile zenye nimenunua saa hizi. So yeah, So yeah. Mama says so yeah.
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 This is the current situation. So I have cut the cabbage into pieces so that I can wrap them using the cling and store them in the fridge. This sufuria is for boiling the sweet potatoes. I've decided to boil the sweet potatoes and so that I can store them in the fridge for breakfast. This is my baby helping me. Now I'm going to store them in the fridge. Carrots, dania, ho. I don't want to shake like the last video, so let me try yeah, that's it. And then this side, these are the onions, bananas. We don't eat a lot of fruits, so yeah, and potatoes, they're down there, the sweet potatoes that I'm about to boil, and the bananas for cooking.